Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue where we left. Previous lesson we finished our portfolio controllers and our CSHTML pages. Now we're going to carry on with the next one. Let me have a look. What was the next one? Service. Alright, okay. Let's continue with the service. Oops, controller. Area admin, controller add. Yeah, before that, let's say our changes to version control to the Git um, just before service. Yeah, it's okay. All right, perfect. Now let's start. Okay, add class. Oh, sorry, no class. Add controller. It's going to be MVC and the name is service controller. Let's get them from portfolio. But before that, first thing is first. Before forget, we should add our admin area and delete this method and private read only I service. Create our construct and let's do our copy and paste. Yep. Now let's copy service. I guess we copy a little bit much, huh? Let's delete it. Yeah, this one. Alright. All good. Yeah. Now let's copy the service and replace portfolio with the service. Service list. Service list. Get all list. Service list. Add service. Add service. Add vModel. Add service async. Get service list. Service and admin area. Update service and get service by ID, again service, portfolio from service update. Yes, let's change this one. Let's amend the redirection command. Delete service, portfolio to service, the server list and service. Perfect. Alright. Control RJ, we cleaned our namespace. Let's start with the listing method. Layout is done, name is okay. Alright. We're going to get a copy from another table and we're going to implement it in our listing method for the service. One Visual Studio. Yep. Alright. Let's add our model list. What was the name of it? Service list vModel. Yep, let's take it to the View import. Control S and close. And let's get from category. I'm thinking service. Yeah, category is alright. Get category list. Everything from here. Close it. And Control V. Let's have a look now. It's going to services. Dashboard is alright. Services. So what we're gonna add here, let's have a look quickly. Web entities, view models, service, serverless view model. So name, description, icon. I'm not gonna show the icon, just name and description. And the dates. Name, description, and dates. Yeah, just Control D. Description. Actually, we don't need, I'm not gonna show the description as well. I'm gonna delete it. So I'm gonna delete description from here and icon here as well. So I don't need them. I'm just gonna show the name and date, that's all. We can change the other properties from our edit section. Get service list, name, dates, alright. Name, dates, okay. We just need to change, let's copy that service, category the service. Update and delete service. The rest of them is okay. Add service. Perfect. That's all. I guess that's all. I'm going to have a quick look. Alright. I'm gonna finish all of them and then I'm gonna try my codes, methods, action, whatever you call. Alright, let's try the add one, add portfolio, add view. It's gonna be a razor view. Add. The layout is okay, name is okay. What? No, cancel. What is this? Where are we? It's portfolio. Sorry guys. Let's close it. We're doing service, right? Add service. Add view. Razor. And everything is correct. And add. Alright. Perfect. Now I'm going to have a look from service add view model. Still working. Name description icon. We need free input. Let me close those. I'm gonna use that one. Okay. So let's open portfolio add. Oops, not that one. Portfolio. Where is the portfolio? Where is the portfolio category? Oh, add portfolio. Yeah, it will be work. Let's copy add service. Let's have a look now. Add new service. Let's copy this letter. Service get service list and services. Add. Alright. We don't have any picture here, so I'm gonna delete them. Service, add service. We don't have any picture, so I'm going to delete this encrypt. Alright. Name. Yeah, we should add our model first. Model. Service. Add vModel. Control space is done. Let's copy and paste now. So this is the service title, service name. Yeah, we can say name. It's okay. And we have a description here. Why would this text orient category name? Did we use the text area for the category name for the category? Let me check. I'm gonna check after finish this service. Okay. Description type control description. Okay, all right. The third one is no. This is for photo. Delete it. Let's get copy from here. So what was the third one? Icon. Yep. All right. Okay. The rest of them is perfect. Anything else? No. Let's. Oops. Sorry, guys. Let's continue with the update service. Add view. It's gonna be Razor view and layout is done. Name is done. Continue. Because of should have used a multi-thread. I can't use anything while it's creating a new page. Yeah, it's done. Add model service update view model. Let's get it from service. Where is our service? Add service. Yeah, here. Let's get copy from here to the update service. Control V. Let's change update service. Update service. Yep, it's done. Let's make it update and update service. Everything, the other things are same, and we just need inputs, ID and row version. Let's add them here. Update is done. Perfect. Now save all, close all tabs, minimize all. Let's open again because it's a little bit messed up. Admin view service, get service list within browser. Okay, let's give it a try, guys, and I'm gonna check those text area. Yeah, plumbing service 1, 2, 3. We have edits and deletes. Let's add first one. Name, test, description, test, test. Icon is a random. To submit it, it's here. Edit, it's all here. Let's change those. Submit, all good, and delete it. Perfect. And these are working. Let's add services. Yeah, perfect. They're all working. Okay, let me have a look those text area before. Let me have a look at about text area description. All good. Category, add category, input. All good. Add contact. Call. Now this must be input. Yeah, I'm gonna delete it. All right. Let's have a look. Home page. Description. Good. Portfolio. Category. Text area for category name is it's not very suitable, so let's change it to the input form. Text area. Perfect. Service done. Share done. Okay. Let's save all, close all tabs, and minimize them. Okay, guys. Let's finish this lesson here, and next lesson is going to be social media. Are we going to add social media from? Okay, I'm gonna skip the social media because we are adding our social media through to about section, and the next lesson will be about team or testimonial. Yeah, we're going to continue with the team, guys. Okay, take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.